All right, this is aloe, also known as aloe vera. Yes, I believe she was named after the plant that heals your sunburns. So no, she can't heal your sunburns, but maybe she could heal your broken heart when you're sad, because look at that face, wow. So I got aloe about 4 months ago from the shelter. As you can see, she has learned a lot. She's becoming obedient. She's just a very excited girl. There she is with the present that she got. I taught her a lot of fun tricks, and she can do the rollover and all that. Okay, so here's the whole reason why I'm making this video. So at first I thought that aloe was afraid of water. As you can tell, I would pour water on her. I don't know if that's a very good odor, but I would pour my water bottle on her and look how skittish she gets. She gets all scared. But I learned something about the hose very, very quickly. As you can see, I mean, she's just waiting there, right? Just staring at the hose, waiting for something to happen.
Where is it? Why is there no water? Huh?
But when that hose turns on, it's like everything else in this world just stops and nothing else matters. I mean, I've tried balls. I've tried teaching her how to fetch. She doesn't like it. She doesn't run after it. She's like, where is my running water? And then I turn the hose on, and that's her playtime. And she loves the water. I mean, if there was nothing else for her to do but to have running water all day and to run after it, I don't think she would ever stop.
Hey, baby. You ready? All right. Go get it. Go. Yeah, attack it.
So aloe used to be very, 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 very afraid of pools. But once we turned that hose on, she jumped right in.
Good girl.
Oh, and don't let me forget, she's a tetherball champion.
Oh. Get it, Allie. Ah, oh, you broke it.